Hi everyone, it's Lehman with Lace Covered Skies. I am here today to do a Beebeecraft unboxing, and let me give you some information about them. I will have their link down below, as well as the links for all of these products, and I will also have a coupon code for you guys. So go ahead and check the description box if you have any questions or want to use the coupon code. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section as well. But let me go ahead and open this so that we can look at everything. All right. All right, so I mainly got beads. I think most everything in here are beads. And the first ones are these stars. I went for a very 80s type of feel this time around. I've been really enjoying working in that style. And not for journals, but I've made some things in that style, paper clip, beaded paper clips. So I wanted to get some more beads that would work in that style. And I think these are so cool. They have kind of like a clean cut look to them, but they're chunky. And I think that is really cool. And they're super lightweight. So I love these. Love this pink. They're very 80s colors to me. So I'm glad I picked that out. And then I got these frosted beads. I already have some frosted beads, so these are ones that I wanted to try out. They come in this cool little box, and they are so cute. So there are 4 different colors in 3 different shapes. So we have the star, and I like that these are different from the star beads that I already have. We have a heart. Again, super chunky. I love that. And we have a flower. And I like that these are pastel and they'll work with the 80s theme. I think they'll complement even like this star right here. Let's see if it can pair with this star. Yeah, I think it'll make a really cool 80s vibe. So love that. And the prices will be listed down below as well. Wow, I love all these colorful things that I'm seeing. All right, so I got this huge bag of star beads. And I have one similar to this, and I almost used them all up. So I'm glad I picked this one out. And they do look very 80s. The only thing I wish they had more of from this are white stars. But I will keep that in mind so that if I get more beads, I need to focus on the white ones and maybe some black ones as well. But my thing is I want them to have an 80s feel, and I think these definitely have an 80s feel. Love the pinks. I love all of them. The reds. Yeah, so cool. I'm glad I got all these. Now I won't have to hoard them. All right. Let's keep on going. This right here, let's read this. This is gold plated. these are gold plated charms. See if I have any other information. All right. Again, going for that 80s theme. They're heavy. They feel quality. And they are so adorable. I love that. I like that shape too. Actually, I think I'll just put it in here. So there we have that. And then last but not least, I have been doing some crocheting. This is very different from the beads, but I wanted a set of hooks. I have some different hooks, but not a lot of sizes. So I thought I would pick this out. This is, I think I needed a 4.5 for a project that I'm working on. So this is great. So it goes from very thin. This is 2 millimeters, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5. This I'm guessing is 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, and 8. So that was the unboxing. I know it's a super short video, but I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what I got. And I am going to come back in the next video and do a project with the beads. And we're going to see what kind of combinations we can come up with these beads right here. I already have an idea of what I want to make. So, and it's like a variation on something I've done before. So I can't wait to experiment with these beads on that project. But we're going to do that. And I have also been crocheting. So I know I haven't been doing a lot of junk journal related videos lately. And that's because my schedule has changed a lot. I'm like really busy right now. I'm trying to organize things and get back into the groove of that. But that's still being situated. So I hope you guys will stick with me and hang in there. And I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to fit that in a doable way for me. But in the meantime, I've been working on smaller projects. So one is the beads, and another is I've been kind of addicted to crochet. Now I don't have that much time to do many things, but I keep wanting to like learn a different pattern. So right now I'm in the middle of a pattern that I really love, and I'm going to come back and show you guys, and we'll do some crocheting. But yeah, so look forward to those videos. Again, all the information for these items are linked down below, as well as a coupon code is provided down below in case you want to get anything from Beebeecraft. But thank you so much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye everyone.